Hello there everyone, this is Aaron from OneSide0.net, and today we are just going to do a very simple unboxing. And what do I have over here? This is the Oppo Find N3 Flip. So the whole box is here, and also we're going to introduce one of the design cases that we received from Oppo. So special thanks to Oppo for sending the items over so that we have the opportunity to actually unbox it so that you all can have a look at it as well. So let's check it out. And let's just get on with the unboxing. So this is the actual retail box of the Oppo Find N3 Flip. Upon opening it, this is the phone. So let me just take it out from here. So this is the actual phone. Let me just put it over here, and the color that we received is actually the cream gold. Apparently there is also two other colors. And upon unboxing, what is inside the box? You will also get a 67 watt Superbook charger. This is the USB A to C cable. In the box, you will also get the case, the protective case. And of course, other than that, you will also get the SIM ejector and also some paperwork. So this is the quick start guide and also the important notes before you start using the phone. And that is why the Oppo Find N3 Flip box is actually big. And that is because it comes with all of the item, including the charger. Because most manufacturers today, even when it comes to premium phone, most of the brands do not include the charger inside. But Oppo is actually kind enough to actually include the charger and most of the accessories, I would say, inside the box. So this is just a very quick unboxing of the phone, and let's just quickly unbox this case as well. And this is actually the case fit for the Oppo Find N3 Flip, and this is actually a special design case, protective case for the phone. So I have not unboxed this really, and let's just unbox it right now in this video. So just give me a very short moment while I peel this off so that we all can take a look at the contents together. So I have just opened up the box, and this is what you get. So this is actually the casing, and of course it comes together with the lanyard as well, so that you can clip it through the protective case and take it together with you. So it's a bit cluttered over here. Let me just line it up all nicely so that you all can have a look. So there you have it. So this is the part whereby if you just purchase the phone, this is all you get. And optionally, if you want to get these special cases are also available throughout all the Oppo authorized dealers, Oppo authorized outlet, and Oppo stores. And you can also get this online if you wanted to. So price may vary from places to places. So check with your local authorized dealers for the pricing. So when it comes to the pricing of the Oppo Find N3 Flip, this is retail at 4,399 ringgit. So that's pretty much about it for this very simple unboxing. So moving forward, in the next few days, I'll be publishing another video talking about the specs and the features of the Oppo Find N3 Flip, as well as my opinion and also what are the performance that this phone can give you. So stay tuned. In the next few days, I will be publishing the next full review video of this phone. So that's pretty much it for now, and do like and subscribe on our video, so that this encourages us to actually create more content for you guys. So that's pretty much about it. My name is Aaron, and I shall see you in the next one.